Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have got we've got some new stuff today's episode. Now, as you can see, I don't know if this was new from last episode, but I did catch a Ponyta and now it is up to a Rapidash. It's got 11 HP and look, I can ride it and I can't see anything. So this thing's pretty cool. As you know, I'll just throw it at this Meowth. Meowth, come here, boy. Alright. So as you see, I've got 11 HP on this Rapidash right now. It was just one-shot it with this Fire Blast. There we go. Fire Blast. Done. Now, as you can see, I still have my Lucario. I did get rid of a Alakazam, but remember guys, I caught this Snorlax. It's been growing a bit. Yeah, this thing is actually at its max height, I think. So as you see, here's a level 26 Ponyta. This thing can do literally anything. So what I've got on this Snorlax, I've been doing some stuff with this Snorlax. So what I've got is called this. So if I do rest, which puts me up to full health, right? So that puts me up to full health. But then this guy did fire spin. But what I can do as I'm sleeping, you can't do any moves of these. What Sleep Talk does, you can actually do any of these three moves, and then it could attack. So I can just attack. So let's see what attack it does. So it uses Earthquake. Okay, it's actually super effective. What the heck? Alright, Blaze Powder. So yeah, our team's pretty insane right now. We've got the Berry Farm. I think that was new from last episode. The Teddy, we've got Shopkeepers. I don't remember from last episode. But yeah, this episode's gonna be pretty sick. I'll show you. So, like, everybody thinks, like, I've been doing, like, all this stuff. Like, putting on the back screen. I should really be doing this. But I've got a different screen recorder. So what I have here. Yeah, I've been mining, as you can see. We've got new running boots. So what these do, I don't know if I did that last episode, but whatever. Yeah, we got loads of things right now, so put that in there. I don't want to use my diamonds yet. So what this thing here, you guys think is, oh, that's just a normal anvil, right? But this actually makes Pokeballs. So if you put like an iron base or an iron disc, so I'll put one iron disc there, and do it here. So if I put it on here, look, it just puts the iron thing here. Now what I can do is just with this hammer, I could just spam it. Oh, whoops, not that behind it, but as you can see, I've been missing a couple of times, but look at that. It just does it when you have it, and then look, it makes an iron base, right? So what I've got here, I don't think I've got anything for a Pokeball. Is that cooked? Damn it. Whatever. I'll cook this just here. And once this finished, I'll get back to recording. So as you can see here, I just went to sleep. So I've got these three cooked Pokeball, apricorns. Crafting table. Gonna make this. Is this? Yep. 5 Pokeball discs. do I have to do this? I do. So I've got to make this as well. Now yeah, I've been doing this. If I run out of money, I can't use the shopkeepers, so yeah, I do this for the time being. So if I get some cobblestone, which I should. Yep, there we go. Bit of cobblestone. Dig out. So, got the cobblestone. I don't think I have a crafting table here. No, I don't. So, got the crafting table here. And now what I do for this cobblestone, I'll just smelt it up. So I'll just smelt one piece of cobblestone into stone and craft it stone into a button. Put the button in there, poker lid on the top, and an iron base. Make sure it's Pokeball. But that's only one Pokeball, so yeah, it's gonna keep... it's gonna take a while you're doing this. I have no clue what I'm doing here on this base right now. Like, I literally do not know what to do. Come on, mate. I don't know what to do on this, base up here, so yeah, if you guys... What the heck? How'd they not kill him? What? Mandy Buzz, what the heck? Thank you. There we go. Mandy Buzz though, what the heck? So yeah, I don't know. Comments down below, what should I build here? Like, I've already got a bed in here. What should I do? What should I do there? What should I do? Drillbuzz killing himself. A Drillbuzz killing himself. Don't do that. I'll kill you if you want. Oh, what? Okay. How's this thing still alive? Fury attack. There you go. I'm just gonna kill Pokemon while I'm doing this, like literally. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see if, like, oh, there's an Abra there, but then look at this. Is that it? Is that actually... That's a boss Alakazam! Oh! Okay, if I get this Alakazam here, I get Alakazam's thing. I don't care about you. Go! Oh my gosh. Oh my god, level 92. Oh god! Bone Rush. That did nothing. I need to kill this thing. Mandy Buzz is doing a little bit of damage. Okay. Mandy Buzz is doing a little bit of damage. Okay. That attacked 5 times. This is gonna take forever. Alright, I'm just gonna pause it. Wait, what? Oh. Yeah, I'll pause. Okay, guys, I'm just switching out to my Jirachi, and this thing is doing so much damage. No! Come on, Psychic. Come on. Yes! There we go. Alakazam. And a jerk. Oh! Clef. Cutie fly, go away. I just got a Jira's orb. Wait, hold on. So you guys know, so I just got Alakazam from my thing, right? So if Alakazam comes here, give him the Alakazam. So if I press B, G, R, okay, no, R's just to retrieve him. Forgot about that. So if I get into a battle with any Pokemon, I'll just yeet. Oh wait, what? Okay. Heard ya. Yes! We can Mega Evolve! Mega Evolve Psybeam. Okay, we can Mega Evolve Pokemon. Boys, we got it! We actually got Mega Evolution. What? Oh, this... Nah, Rattatas. Wait. Oh my! How does Zaganzoon win? Yo, we got Mega Evolution. Can Alakazam fly? No, I can't even go on him. Yo, that's sick! Alright, we just found out that we can do Mega Evolution. Holy... What? That's ridiculous. Oh, I thought that was an Altaria. I was like, no way. Yeah, as you know that what I was supposed to do, I was trying to find some legendaries in this place. As you know, last episode, I killed a legendary. But, it paid off because I got a Snorlax from this Extreme Hill biome. There's more Pokemon than just a Snorlax can spawn really good spawns there. There's a Pokemon there called Larvitar. Now, I've probably ran past a lot of them if you've seen them, but what they can evolve into is literally something insanely OP. But what I found right now, this orb here, the Jetter's orb, this thing can, on a shrine, there's like a shrine area on the Extreme Hill biome. If I put this into the shrine with a red belt or something, I have no clue. This should spawn probably one of the best Pokemon in the game, called Garatina, I think. So this Pokemon here can literally spawn in. Although we need to do a lot of training, because this thing's going to be level 70 when it spawns. So we've already got one Pokemon that's level 70, which is good. But it started out literally as a level 70 Pokemon. As you know, at the start of the series, what I did was to, like what, you know, in the game, like, I started out with some Pokemon. And my starters were, as you start, you know what it was, like, Barbarcle or something. So this is my new lineup right now. We got Lucario out of the tomb because we got Alakazam Mega Evolution. So guys, I think that's it. We got it for the episode. We got one Mega Evolution already, which is absolutely sick. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button down below. Comment on what I should build here, like this area here, like something related to my, like, teddy bear or something. Like something I can't even get through the door. What should I build here? Like, I don't know. It's your decision, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button. Peace out, dudes. Oh my god, see ya. Bye.